Hey guys, welcome to a scent of the day. Today I am going to, I'm testing out a body butter that I'm working on to introduce next year, but also I just felt like wearing Vanilla Bean Noel. So I started off in the shower, regular hygiene routine, and then finished off with the Bath and Body Works Vanilla Bean Noel Creamy Body Wash. And for those that don't know, the fragrance notes for Vanilla Bean Noel are fresh vanilla bean, warm caramel, sugar cookie, whipped cream, and snow-kissed musk. So those are the scents for Vanilla Bean Noel. And then the body butter that I'm working on is an amber vanilla combination that as you can see, if you can tell, I've been digging into that one and trying to see how much I like it. I think I'm pretty happy with the current kind of way it's going. So hopefully we'll have that out in 2023. So, and then I top it off with Victoria's Secret's Bear, and the main accords for that are woody, powdery, citrus, violet, warm, spicy. And the notes for Bear are Australian sandalwood, mandarin orange, and violet. And for anyone that hasn't smelled Bear or kind of seen the advertisement, this is a scent that is made to kind of be everyone's individual signature scent, is the way they kind of describe it. It really works on everyone. It's unisex, and it's supposed to kind of work with your body chemistry to make your own kind of signature scent. So this is my fragrance of the day, and really enjoy it. Stay tuned for the launch of our new scent next year. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.